Title of the story: Leo, the Lazy Lion's Big Adventure. Once upon a time, Leo the lion loved to nap all day long. One sunny afternoon, the jungle animals announced a big race. A monkey with a megaphone called for everyone to line up. Leo, curious and a little surprised, decided to join, wearing his bright crown-shaped headband and jungle shirt. The other animals were ready to run, while Leo, usually lazy, wondered if he could keep up. When the race began, Leo was slow at first. But as he ran, he discovered that moving felt great. He smiled wide and ran faster and faster, surprising all the other animals. Leo didn't win, but he had the most fun he'd ever had. From that day on, Leo knew that sometimes adventure is worth getting up for. Moral: trying new things can lead to unexpected joy.